Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm excited to have you guys here. In a recent video, I showed you guys how to order for a product on Aliexpress, and I'm also glad to announce you guys today that that product has arrived. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of that product and a review of the product. Also, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can, open up a dispute should in case your product did not arrive on time or it didn't arrive as expected. Watch this video to the end because at the end of this video, I'll be showing you guys some of the product I have ordered from, purchased from AliExpress. So don't go anywhere, stay with me right till the end of this video and I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back guys. First of all, I would like to share with you guys how to receive your product. This product came to me via Speed Off Courier service, so I was called to come pick it up at a certain location. So you guys might as well receive your goods in such manner, but sometimes it will be delivered to your nearest post office and you will also be called upon to come and pick your product. Okay, so how can you open a dispute? Well, I'll be showing you guys right now on my laptop, so let's go. Yeah, there are so many reasons to open a dispute that AliExpress recognizes. The first, if your product does not arrive on time, if your product has a defect, if you did not receive the goods, if the product has a damage somewhere, if the product is not as described on the page. So those are the reasons, legitimate reasons that AliExpress recognizes, which you can use to open a dispute. So question is, how do you open a dispute? Yes, I'm going to use one of the orders that I've placed long time ago to explain this process. So what we do is I'll just scroll down to the order. Say for example this one here. You click on order details. And then right here you can see open a dispute, but I'm not going to open a dispute right now because I don't have any issue. So this is just open dispute, and trust me, it's an easy step to follow. Once you click open dispute, the guidelines or the steps to follow are no longer difficult. They're very simple, something you can do. And so that's just how to open a dispute. So another thing to note is that you can open a dispute anytime except 15 days after you've confirmed on your account that you've received the product. Yes, so after 15 days you will not be able to open a dispute. So it is very important to take note of this. And please, when you do receive your items, always leave a review. There are points assigned to your account if you leave a review, not just a very short review. If you leave lengthy reviews with pictures to back them up, trust me, you have a lot of points assigned to your account, of which you can use in so many ways. I'm going to make a video of that in the future. So if you have not subscribed, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button so that if I drop a video in the future, you'll be the first person to get notified. So that is that about receiving your goods. Okay, so guys, here is the package that I ordered. You can see the time it arrived, 21st June 2022. So I'm going to open it now, see whether it's the correct thing I ordered for. Okay, yeah, it came the way it's supposed to be. Yeah, so of course it's obvious what this is. If you don't know what this is, in fact, I feel sorry for you. Yeah, I'm just kidding. This is the Eiffel Tower in Paris. It's a miniature, model of the Eiffel Tower. So it's just a decoration item that I ordered for. So it came in good shape and everything is good. So yeah, that's it.